This is a fire alarm double action manual pull station. So they have single action pull station and they have double action pull station. A single action pull station is a pull station you could just activate in one fell swoop. A double action pull station needs 2 steps. So what makes this a double action is step 1 and then step 2. That's what makes it a double action. There are some pull stations that are just single action where this top portion wouldn't be there and all you would have to do is just pull the alarm. That is a single action pull station. But in this case, this is a double action pull station. You have to lift up, then pull down. That's what makes it a double action pull station. This is to prevent or reduce false alarms because pull stations in supermarkets or pull stations where there's a lot of foot traffic, you know, kids think this is a toy, so they'll go around and pull it. So that's why we put the covers, the stopper 2 covers around it with the battery backup, so when you open that cover you get that alarm and that should deter you so that way you don't pull the pull station. It make you think you did something and only actuality it just sounds that sound locally to scare you so that way you don't pull the pull station because you don't want to do this. Fire department show up. Like this is so we can get the fire department to come. If they coming for nothing, then that's not what we're doing. We're not trying to do that because then now we actually preventing somebody else from getting saved because we wasting their time coming here checking out something that don't need to be checked out. So this is very, very serious. Do not be pulling these pull stations out there thinking that it's a game. It's not a game. This is very, very serious. All right. So same situation with the CT1 module. This is an addressable pull station with a CT1 module in the back. So like I said in my CT1 module video, this wire right here will go to the circuit and then the resistor will be at the end of the line. So imagine this is the beginning of the line and this will be the end of the line. So the resistor is actually right. So this is actually the resistor, the end of the line. So now imagine this wire was ran from the first floor to the second floor. That resistor has to go to the second floor because that is the end of the line. So being that this is a short run straight to the pull station, this will be the end of the line. So this is where the resistor goes. Now your data, same as before, 4, 3, 4. So this is 4, then that's 3, then that's 2, and then that's 1. So 4 and 3 is our in. Our data will come in. 4 will be plus, 3 will be negative, and then our out will be going to the next device or the next pull station or the next smoke detector or the next module will be going out to the next device. 2 will be plus, red, 1 will be negative, black. Make sure the serial number is needed for the fire alarm control panel. That's how it registers the device and gives it an address. Now inside here, you have glass rods. Now these glass rods get placed, the glass rod get placed right up inside here. So that way when the pull station is closed and you see like right in here, that's a quick indication that the pull station has never been pulled. If there's a glass rod missing, then potentially they never installed it or someone had pulled this pull station before. So the glass rod would go installed in there. And this right here is our switch. When you pull the lever, this switch go up, shorting out this circuit here, making it seem as if it's a close, sending a signal to the fire alarm control panel saying that this pull station is in alarm, and then to turn on the horns and strobes. So that's what that's doing. So if you come into a case and you reset the system, but the pull station is still active, it's possible that this switch is still up. So make sure you find that pull station, put the switch down, and try to reset the system again. That's how you lock that. So this is a double action manual pull station. Lift up, pull down, double action. All right, securities. If you want to learn more about fire alarm, you want to learn more about security, or you want to learn more about what I do on a daily basis, let me know in the comments. I am the Master Tech, and I appreciate you for watching. Peace.